This is what it looks like during an event rainfall inside the French drain. You can see the water level rising up from the bottom and flowing out through the pipe. A small base of gravel is needed under your pipe for this to work properly. Water from above drops down to the bottom of the trench, floods up into the pipe, and the pipe carries it away. Live help today from 1 to 4 p.m. Get the help you need. I promise I can answer any question you have, help you with project planning, and so much more. Get the help you need. I promise it's easy. Sign up online or send an email to appledrains@gmail.com to get started. The cost is $80 per session. We use PayPal to send an invoice upon completion. It only takes a few minutes. I can answer any question you have. Live help today from 1 to 4 p.m. only on appledrains.com. I set the lights up inside the pipe so you can see what it looks like during a thunderstorm. And you can see the battery goes in and out, but watch what happens as that water rises from the bottom of the trench up into the pipe. Live help today from 1 to 4 p.m. Get the help you need. Okay, now we have a great trench. It's at the proper depth. Let's build a French drain. Let's take a look at how a French drain works. This is a fabric wrapped French drain. That means it has a geotextile that encases not only the pipe, but the gravel also. French drain is basically perforated pipe surrounded by gravel, and it's used to collect the subsurface water that's underground. So if you've got an area in your yard that holds water, perhaps the French drain is what you need. You may also need a catch basin, and the catch basin is used to collect that immediate surface water that stands on top of the ground. In this video, we will put together two different systems. One is using perforated corrugated pipe, and the other is using perforated PVC. We will also add a GoPro down in the pipe so you can see how the system actually works. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day. Don't forget about live help today from 1 to 4 p.m.